There is a house next door that has been empty for months, maybe years. The lawn is overgrown, there may be maintenance issues affecting your property, and the tax records show an address that clearly no one is using anymore. Whether you want to report it to the city, make a purchase offer, or simply make contact with someone responsible for the property, you need a current way to reach the owner. Our investigation team locates the current reachable contact behind vacant and abandoned properties through public records research. We go beyond the tax assessor record, which often reflects where a bill gets mailed, not where the owner actually is, and pull from a range of nationwide public record sources to find a verified current address and phone number for the person who holds title. This service is built for neighbors dealing with blighted or neglected properties, real estate investors looking to make off-market offers, and anyone who needs to get in touch with an absentee owner who has not been reachable through the address on record. The outcome is a confirmed current contact path to a property owner who otherwise seems unreachable. Our researchers locate anyone in the U.S. in 24 hours or less at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. Visit us today to place your owner locate order and subscribe for more on finding property owners.